They took down the balcony wood. Go check that out. Still removing the stuff on the front porch. Looks like there's a vanity and a bathtub on the front porch. So should be a lot of changes today. I'm excited to see this. So this is all the doors and shelves and vanity stuff, or cabinetry for the master bath that they removed. Wow, this looks so different. Looks like they got the new door cased in, the front door. This big old thing. Got a jacuzzi tub on the front porch. You can see the water back there is a lot higher. And they took down all of the fencing, still have some trees back there, but moved a lot of that. Got a new swing. It's gonna be so nice to sit on the swing and just look out here when it's open.
We have, we got the brick up, the brick arch. We got the center wall that was stabilized and it's taken out. This wall is about to come out completely. We've got the beams are ordered and they're waiting to be installed. So there'll be a big beam across the top, 3 little beams, and then the cypress ceiling has come in as well. So super excited to see.
So it'll be a mirror image of this ceiling
of this little breakfast area.
over into the new dining room.
Into the, what we're standing in as the new dining room. And haven't picked out a light or whatever, but we'll hang a new light right here. That fan will come down, and we went ahead and kept those doors. And I know from episode 1, we thought we were gonna keep that back wall, but we couldn't really keep it because of the beams. So we chose the beams over the wall.
Okay.
So it'll still look good. Those doors are original, so we were able to keep those and at least keep these 2 doors. And once this wall comes out, this new French door will come right in the middle there, so there'll be a lot more light in this area.
So this wall with the doors, that'll just be a regular like sheetrock wall.
It'll be a sheetrock wall with, and maybe some built-ins. I'm not exactly sure yet. Maybe something small on the corners there for dishes or china.
Okay.
All
right.
In here, nothing has happened. We got the grill is ready to go in. Have you gotten the outdoor kitchen?
I did. I saw just the brick.
Mm-hmm. So we were able to restore the hood, and then we got the grill, and under that nice curtain there that we'll be donating after the show, we got a new piece of furniture.
Ooh.
I know. I'm excited about it. I got a new antique like marble. This will be in the foyer. That's the back.
Oh.
But the other side's pretty.
So pretty.
It's old, but it's gonna go in the foyer.
Oh, I like that. And that's what you found that in Lafayette, right?
Not in Lafayette. Oh yeah. Yeah, just a pretty.
Sorry, you can't see the front on video.
We'll see it on the reveal.
Yeah. This is a sneak peek. Sneak peek. How exciting.
So yeah, that's that. Oh, the master bath. Let's see, it's framed out.
Okay, yeah. I got a little bit of video the other day, but not much of the master.
And the drainage is, everybody watch your step.
This is Shannon, this is the master.
So we'll start over here because it's a little easier to like see there won't be a door there.
Oh, okay.
This will be the door. He took the wall out and is reframing it. So there's one window that's moved. This one is actually going to be reframed, moved over. I think it's coming out to like here, and there'll be this side a little bit longer. There'll be 3 windows.
Okay.
Just ordered those guys. The plumber came. This is the new plumbing for the bathtub. That's going to sit long ways.
Are you doing the claw foot or the freestanding?
I'm doing a, not a claw, like just a standing soaking tub. Yeah. So then this will be open space. This is the new bathroom, like toilet area that we just framed out.
Okay.
This is the new shower area, and the cool part, what we decided to do here is we extended it to like 7 feet, and this is gonna be all tiled, have like little controls I can reach in, but no door.
Oh.
So it's gonna like, you can walk down into it and nothing's gonna get splashed. So kept the height and picked out all the hardware and stuff. So this little area, because Kyle only has one thing, like a toothbrush, that's his little area. He doesn't need anything else. He doesn't even have
Where'd you pick out your fixtures from?
Different places online.
Okay.
I couldn't even tell you the names.
Okay.
I don't know. Now that helped me with that.
Okay. And then this is your closet.
Yeah. This will be a new vanity built right there.
That's yours.
That'll be mine. This is a new linen closet that's gonna just be a little tiny door. Maybe get like a little antique door or something.
Yeah.
And have shelves in there for towels. And then this will be the closet. Yep. So building that out.
It's like 15 by 15 or something like
Yeah.
that.
Mm-hmm. His safe will go not like in a nook in the back.
And then you'll have a island.
We'll have an island, yeah, with electricity, so we can put like a little it's like 4 foot by maybe 4 by 3, something like that in the middle.
Very cool.
And then that we've able this also all that stuff from reusing and saving throughout the house, which is awesome. But we'll have like an open shelving, and then shoes. That wall will be shoes, and then that side, and then this whole back side will be
Close.
Yep.
What kind of flooring are you gonna do in here?
I don't know. I think I want the pine in here. I'm considering putting pine in the entire bathroom. People are advising me against it, but I think I want pine.
Okay.
Last night they cut all of the landscaping out for the drainage. So we're gonna have brick extended to where the first. I'll step out here. So this will be a drain coming underneath here to a new catch basin right here where the concrete was laid. A new catch basin, and these pipes will take the drainage out this way, and then where I'm standing will be 4 foot of extended brick.
Oh, okay.
So we can put lawn chairs and have them fit.
Okay.
So this
And-
will all be brick.
And this was something that was like not really originally thought we were gonna have to do.
Nope, this is happening in the last week. We made that call.
And this is to help the drainage from underneath the house,
Yes,
correct?
So that's where it all sits. So they have to start. He's got a catch basin there, and then the pipe will come all the way. We're actually adding one more catch basin. We're adding one right here. This is all being ripped up. You can see cut it with a saw. That was a French drain that somebody left for like 20 years, and now there's tree roots growing in it.
Oh.
So all that's coming up, and there'll be a catch basin here, and then a new French drain put, and a catch basin on the other side.
Okay, let's go look at the pool house.
And hopefully be able to put glass doors like we have eventually. But here, he ripped out the whole shower
Oh, yeah.
today, and that toilet's gonna come out too. So now I'm questioning like whether or not to keep the shower. I was gonna not keep it. But now I'm thinking I could potentially like tile floor to ceiling and just keep the shower in here and then put a new vanity and a new toilet. So that may be the direction we end up going.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our renovation show with Shelly and Kyle. I hope you're enjoying getting to see them renovate their house. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any of our episodes throughout these next couple months, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell button so you're notified when we post another episode. Again, thanks so much for the support and hope you enjoy it.